Good morning, boys and girls. Look where I am, in school again. It's not the same without you here though, it's far too quiet. It's Tuesday already, Tuesday the 26th of January 2021, so let's get started. And we'll begin again with our week 3 spellings. Can you repeat after me? Cod. And do you remember that's a type of fish? Kid. Pet. Net. Pen. Peg. Mum. And we write those in our Tuesday column. Now moving on to our Pirates book. And just make sure you've taken out the Phase 2 book, not the Phase 3 one. Okay, Phase 2 is what we're working on this week. Today we are practicing writing our tricky words. Yesterday we found them in the treasure chest. Today we're writing them. So I want you to try your best to do really good writing. So for example, I want to see a nice tall T, a nice tall H, and then the E should be half as tall as those taller letters. So you're going to write the words 3 times, the, and the. It says, copy the treasure map tricky words onto the coins to reach the treasure chest. So you don't get the treasure unless you have written the words 3 times. So here we're going to write I. No. Two. Need to see a nice tall T for that one. The T should be twice as tall as the O. Go. Now remember the go, the G should go down further than the O. So you have your G and then the O sits beside the round bit of the G, like that. Okay. And into. I want to see a nice tall T for into as well. Into. And on our other booklet then, we're continuing with our letter writing. Tomorrow we will be moving on to making sentences, but for today we're just working on our letter formation. And we're going to go from F down to J. All right. So for our F, we're going to practice writing our letters. We're going to go down. I hope you can see there with my hand. Down to the bottom, flick, and a line through the middle. Now, do you remember I said yesterday you could use maybe a dark marker or something to write these letters because they are, well, my version anyway is quite dark. Yours might be a wee bit lighter. Or you can just go around the edge of it with a colour just to make sure you get the shape right. Okay. G then, round, up, down and curl. Round, up, down and curl. H then, down, up, over, down, flick. Down, up, over, down, flick. I, down, flick and a dot at the top. Down, flick and a dot at the top. Now I'm sure you'll do this a lot more slowly than I will, boys and girls. I'm just breezing through it here just to show you how to form each letter. And you can rewind this video back or go back a little bit if you want to see me forming the letters again, if you're not sure. Now our J is one of those letters that goes down through the line, like the G. So we go down through the line and a dot at the top. Down through the line and a dot at the top. All right. Continuing on looking at money again today. And this page always makes me very hungry when I look at it. Look at that lovely ice cream. Now you can see there are 4 ice creams and they all cost different amounts. This one is the cheapest because it's just 2 scoops. This one's 2 scoops and a bit of chocolate as well. A chocolate flake in it. This one is 2 scoops and 2 chocolate flakes. And this one is 2 scoops, 2 chocolate flakes and sprinkle. Now, I just want to point out to you that these coins here, although they kind of look to me like 1p coins, when you look closely, they're actually 2p coins. So there are some 2p coins on this page. They're the bigger ones. And then these little small ones are our 1p coins. All right, so just be careful. You could easily mistake those for pennies, but they're actually 2p's. Now, when you're working out the price of the ice cream, remember that little technique we used for counting 2p's. We tapped the coin twice. So let's work out the price of this ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This ice cream costs 6p. Now this one, we've got 3 2p's and a 1p. Now I only have to tap the coin, the 1p coin once because it's just 1 penny. The others are 2 pennies. So this is what I would do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I just tapped this one once, remember, because it was just a penny. 7. So then we move on to this page as well today. Now, I'm not sure if the date is too clear on your pages. I know it's cut off on my copy, but this is supposed to be today's date as well. All right. Now, we're just matching coins to amounts. So you'll see here we have, for example, the frog, and it costs 20p, the frog toy. Dog, it costs 10p. The pig costs 1p. The penguin costs 2p. And the mouse costs 5p. And you have to match the coins to the amounts. Now, we know these coins, don't we? This is 1p and this is 2p. Now, what's this one? Let's see if we can see a number. Can you see a number there? It's not very well copied. Can you see that little 5 at the bottom? That's a 5p. So you match the 5p to where you see it on this side. Next one. What coin do you think this is? Can you see a number there? 10p. Match 10p to where you see it on this side. And then what's this one? Have you ever seen a coin like that before? It's a funny shape. Can you see a number? Now, not this number here, because that's just the year the coin was made. But this one here, this is the one we're looking at. Can you see that? 20. 20p. So you match the 20p coin to the toy that costs 20p. And boys and girls, you also got this in your pack. And it's linked, it's all about Catholic Schools Week. This week is Catholic Schools Week. And as we are a Catholic school, we usually do a little activities related to that. So there's a little booklet here, and there's an activity for each day, which you can do if you want, or if you feel it's a bit too much for you. You don't have to do it, but it's up to you. There's information for parents here before each activity, and then there's little activities for your child to fill in. So that one is about our parish, that's Monday. And then there's various other little colouring activities and word searches as well in the pack. So if you wanted to do a little bit of that every day, that would be great. But you just see how the time works out for you, all right? If you get a chance as well, continue on with Some Dog. This week, the Some Dog activities should be related to money, so they'll fit nicely in with what we're learning this week. And also, I've sent you the names of new reading books for this week and next week. So if you get a chance, get reading as well and try to do a quiz as well on your book. Okay. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.